Hello. It's been a pretty soggy Tuesday morning for large swathes of the country, and there is more rain to come in some spots. So for the rest of today until 10 o'clock this evening, we do have a yellow warning in force across parts of Wales and England. Scotland and Northern Ireland seeing some brighter spells, and actually things brightening up in South Wales and South West England as the rain continues to track its way east and northwards. But look at the bright colours here on the radar. It was a pretty miserable rush hour for many, and that rain is continuing to very slowly creep northwards. It kind of pivots over parts of northeast England, so particularly wet here through the rest of today. A bit brighter across South Midlands, Southern England, South Wales, some sunshine here, but then more cloud and showery rain heading into the far southwest. It's a bit dry for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some of that rain, though, is going to get into southeast Scotland, where it could last well into the evening, but brighter skies across the far northwest. So it's a bit of a mishmash. We are still concerned about that rainfall totals building up, particularly so in northeast England. 50, maybe 60 millimetres of rain by the end of today. So we do have that yellow warning in force. Some pretty miserable conditions for the evening commutes. Temperature-wise, actually quite warm where it brightens up. We could get temperatures into the low 20s. Parts of the Highlands could be up to 21 or 22 Celsius, but quite cool with the stubborn low cloud on the east coast of Scotland, and quite gusty in Shetland as well, just 12 or 13 here. There's that area of rain continuing through the evening, spreading into eastern parts of Scotland. Another batch of wet weather sweeps into the southwest. A very wet night to come here, and also getting pretty blustery once more. With all the clouds and the rain, it is not going to be a cold night by any stretch of the imagination. Temperatures sticking in the mid-teens in many towns and cities. A dreek, grey, damp, drizzly start then to Wednesday. Blustery across the south with further heavy pulses of rain swirling away to the east. And actually, once that's gone away, the rain shouldn't be too heavy, but it's not really going to brighten up too much. It'll stay fairly cloudy. Some sunny spells are possible, but most just staying rather dull and damp, but not as wet as Tuesday. Temperature-wise, well, again, around or above average for the time of year. Again, if you see a bit of brightness, those temperatures could really jump up. Generally, we're into the high teens. Notice behind me, though, another line of rain that comes into parts of Northern Ireland. So on Wednesday evening, that could get pretty heavy. And it's joined by another one as it pushes across Scotland during Wednesday night and into Thursday. So that's an area we need to keep a close eye on. And we're not done then, because this area of low pressure continues to dominate weather through the second half of the week. The isobars squeezing together at times, blustery showers for many on Friday, and that low pressure is still close by into the weekend. And there's another one lurking behind, perhaps to come in for Sunday. So don't be expecting the weather to calm down anytime soon. This week is very different to last week. Further spells of rain often staying blustery. Stay up to date with the very latest by following the Met Office on social media.